Hello everyone, Rafael here. So today I'm going to show you project number 3 from CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. The challenge here was to create a mailbox application using the power of JavaScript to create a single page application. So here we have 3 mailboxes: inbox, sent, and archived. We can shuffle between them by clicking the buttons. We have the inbox. So here I have created 3 emails. When the email is read, I see it with a gray background. The emails I didn't read yet are shown in a white background. So let's say, oh, Rafael sent me a message here, so let's read it. I enter the page, and now if I go back here, it has been read. I see it in gray. Let's see further the email. Here we have from, who sent me the email, who sent me, so this is my account here, in this case admin, the subject, the timestamp of the email, and the content back down here. So this email right now, it's in my inbox, so it's here in the inbox. I can archive it, so I have this yellow button here. When I click it, I archive the email and I'm sent back into my inbox. We can no longer see it here because it is now in this page. Let's say I want to reply to the email. So I can click here, and the compose email form is pre-filled with the information from that email that Rafael sent me. So let's say here we have the RE function too. I pre-fill with the RE here, and let's say I want to hello Rafael. Let's reply. Then I send it, and I am redirected to my sent mailbox. And this is it. JavaScript, such an amazing tool. It gives us flexibility to work with HTML, CSS, manipulate attributes, properties, and it was great making this project. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.